So today we will be discussing about benchmark email for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for benchmark. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account, and you can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards it is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed benchmark email for workflows. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose the sub account. Here we are on the sub account. Now we have to do is we have to configure benchmark email for workflows. To do that, so you have to find for app configuration in the side navigation bar and search for benchmark email for workflows. To get it configured, to sign up for benchmark email specifically, and in the settings you can find for the integrations, and from there you can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. We are in the benchmark email for workflows. Here is what you have to do is find for the integrations here, and after that you can just search for API key, and you have to copy this API key here. Paste that API key here and submit. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now moving forward towards the next step is the automations to create a workflow and check on the actions that they are working correctly or not. Let's just create a new workflow and start from scratch. In the workflow builder, let's just create a new action and find for benchmark email. Here it is. Let's just create a new action. These are the actions provided by benchmark email for workflows to just integrate into your workflows and automate your system. Let's just find a contact which you have already created in your benchmark email account. Save this action, create some notes with that. And find for custom values, and down below you can find for benchmark email for workflows. Find contact and you can just choose this one and add some text with that. Save this whole, and now we will be testing our workflow. To set an example, choose any contact, run test, and now we will be moving forward towards the execution logs. As you can see, it is already executed successfully. It is simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.